Here we have our current shape Ram 1500 DS Express fitted in black suede two-tone. We'll start with the front pair. You have separate headrests. Seat covers are custom made to the shape of the DS seat, so a nice snug fit. Being an Express, has manual control on both driver and passenger for backrest tilt, left open with our seat covers fitted. With any suede or canvas purchase from us, you get a bonus center console top. The sixth seat is available if unlocked. You can do the complete backrest base as well as the console lid with an unlocked six-seater. Airbag provision on the door sides of the front backrest. You have the option to leave the mat pockets open on the back of the front seat. I'll put an image up on the screen so you see what an open back looks like. Now we move on to the rear. So being an Express, 1500 Express, of course, has a one-piece bench. As you can see, our seat cover contours in the center for the DS seat. You have access to the ISOFIX points between the backrest and the base. 3 separate headrest covers. Center lap sash belt is free and functional. And finally, the base can still vertically fold up or back down when needed.